Start Toolbox and sign in. Click on the tab labeled Discover Network. To create a new discovery, click on the button labeled Create a new discovery. Enter a name for your discovery. As stated below the text field, your discovery name cannot include spaces nor only consist of numbers. Click OK to create your discovery. Find your new discovery in the table below. In the cell under the Setup column, click on No Settings. A new window should appear with the Discovery settings. Let's start with the settings under the Discovery Settings tab. Using the slider under Select Fastest or Most Detailed Discovery, you can select the complexity of the setting. Dragging the slider further to the right enables the faster settings, and dragging it to the left enables the more detailed settings. We will keep this at the standard setting. The slider under Discovery Speed and Bandwidth Control decides how many devices to scan in parallel. Be careful not to set this setting too high, as it may overload your system. It is best used for networks with high number of devices. Looking under ICMP Ping Control, enabling ping scan means that your discovery can check if devices under the network are working properly. Scan Class B means that you will scan for devices under a Class B network. Don't enable Scan Class B setting unless you must. It considerably increases the scan time of your discovery. Under the Merge Discovery section, you can decide whether you want new discoveries to overwrite the existing data or merge with previous discoveries. Under Other Settings, you can turn on detailed logging, which can help to diagnose issues associated with the discovery. Continue by clicking on the tab labeled Credentials. In the first field, you can enter SNMP community names. Most PCs set this setting to public, so on simple networks, this setting can normally be left unchanged. For other networks, you may have to specify additional SNMP community names. Under Enter WMI Credentials, you can add WMI credentials to get information about Windows systems in the network. Click on the button labeled Add New WMI Credential and fill out two fields in the pop-up window. If you don't know what to input, ask your system administrator for help. Under Enter SNMP version 3 credentials, you can edit and manage SNMP version 3 security settings. Click the button with the plus icon to add a new setting. Continue by clicking the tab named Setup and Test IP Seed Lists. Firstly, decide whether you only want to search for subnets in the specified IP range listed in the field below, or to search for all subnets. In the latter case, the discovery will start within the listed IP range. Secondly, change or add the IP range to search in. Click on a current IP range to edit or remove it. Click the button labeled Add IP Address Range to add an IP range to the list. Click the button Cut/Paste Seed List in case you want to copy to or from other discovery seed lists. Once finished, click the button labeled Save Settings on the top left of the window to save and close the window. Click OK on the next prompt. To set scheduled discoveries, find your discovery in the table and click the cell under the column named Scheduler Setup. A new window will appear. To enable scheduled discoveries, click on the checkbox labeled Enable Discovery Scheduler. In the drop-down field below, you can decide the interval for each discovery in days. Be careful when selecting Continuous, as it performs a discovery whenever possible. This is only recommended in rare cases. In the next drop-down field, you can decide at what time to start the discovery, and in the last field, you can add an additional discovery the same day. Click the button labeled Save Settings to save and close the window. Click OK on the next prompt. Find your discovery in the table again and click on the cell under the column Start. A new window will appear. Click on the button labeled Start Discovery Now to start searching. Click OK on the next prompt. Now your discovery should be searching for devices. It may take a moment before Toolbox displays the discovery progress. Once it's finished, Toolbox will state that discovery is completed and the number of devices found.